Welcome to Sister FEFE channel, where you are welcome here. Hey guys, thank you for joining Sister FEFE channel. I have my girl Ivory, in the building. And so today we're gonna be doing a new challenge. I was laying in the bed and I was thinking about this new challenge. I want to be the first one to do this challenge, and I pray that I am the first one. So, guys, I want you guys to follow this challenge and hashtag me, Sister FEFE Tyson, and join me in this challenge. Okay. We know that it's been a challenge going on, and it is called the No Burping Challenge, where you drink pop and you try to keep yourself from burping. Well, we're going to do the challenge that is called the Burping Challenge. We're going to turn it around and call it the Burping Challenge. So I'm going to challenge my mate, Ivory, and seeing who can burp the most within 2 minutes. Okay? So she say I'm going down. I call her Ivory. Well, she called us Ivory.
Ebony's going down.
Ebony and Ivory. So Ivory is saying that Ebony is going down. So I'm going to try to prove her wrong. So we got 2 minutes. This is the challenge. We have 2 minutes to see who burped the most. And so we're gonna have to use only this water. You cannot use Pepsi or nothing. You can purchase this from Walmart, and it's called the water. What did I call it? I said the No Burping Challenge.
No burping.
But you have to only
the burping
use.
Challenge.
Is it, what would we call
We're
it?
counting the burping challenge. How many we can burp?
Yes, we can burp. So it's called the Burping Challenge. So that means that you can only use this type of water, okay? You get it, the clear water. You can do the peach,
Clear
white
flavor.
grape. It's called Clear American. It has 0 calories, 0 sugars, 0 caffeine, and 0 sodium. So you can purchase this from Walmart, guys. So did I say that right? In Ivory, I said it right.
Yep.
Okay, so guys, you cannot use pop or anything. It has to be this water. You can get it from Walmart, and Walmart is all over the world. So look for this type water. All right, guys, we're gonna open it up, and we're gonna start our timer. Okay, is it?
Ooh. Whoa. Okay. Okay. You see how she set me back, guys?
No, I did not.
She playing that.
You see that? You see this is some
that,
real soda. This water is like pop. Okay, so I encourage you all. I'm gonna have you to slide this way towards me a little bit with your drink.
Okay, here we come.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and set the timer. I can't hardly see stuff.
Well, I can't either. I didn't bring my glasses.
Okay. I hope it starts. Is it started?
Girl, who you talking to?
Oh, girl, we can't even see y'all.
That's what happens when you
Okay, wait a minute. On your march, get set.
Here we go.
All right, guys. Whoo. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Ooh. Wait, I had one. That was on the club.
I can't hear that. You got
to be a loud one. Ooh, I gotta breathe. This is. Oh no, no, that's a fake one.
That ain't a fake one. No, that's a fake one.
That ain't a fake one. Oh, I can't. Look how much water we've drank. That fake.
So you quit. Y'all get jealous. I don't want y'all to get jealous.
That was real. Disqualified.
Excuse me. I'm sorry.
Don't make me laugh. Do I need a drink?
Y'all, you can only drink this type water.
And it's warm.
It cannot be cold. It has to be warm.
Oh my gosh. Two women.
It tastes like soda, right? It's good.
It's fulfilling.
And this
look,
right
we
here is
only-
healthier.
Oh
It's over.
my God.
Oh, wait a minute. Is something wrong? Is it counting down or what?
I think we had 12 seconds left. I don't know how it worked. You done blew up the phone.
Wait a minute. Here.
Probably when you exploded.
I don't. This up, guys. Well, we're gonna do a replay, and we will see how you wrong for that. You still going. The 2 minutes was up, guys. So anything afterwards, Susie, it do not count. Susie, this is Susie's first time trying this water. Is you still perfect for real?
I didn't spit mine all over the table. I drank.
I'm
Look,
sorry.
That,
Well,
just
you
that
did
little
a good-
amount.
Wow. Guys, you
It's warm, too.
You all have to try this with me, okay? Allow this to be Sister FEFE Challenge, okay? And then you say hashtag FEFE Tyson. And that's SisterFEFE Tyson. And hashtag me and Susie. Thank you so much. So guys, make sure you guys join our movement.
And this
okay?
is good. This peach is yummy.
It was good, right?
Yeah.
And it actually, guys, this would be a great source to drink instead of pop. You know, if you still want that burp taste, this would be a great
I don't sit
thing
around
to
burping with pop.
drink. Huh?
I don't burp with pop.
Really?
Not like this.
That's something for it to be water.
Yeah, because all that carbonate, you saw how it exploded.
Oh, excuse me, y'all. I'm sorry. This right here will make you burp. So go
Yeah.
ahead on and buy you one and see what your girl is doing. All right? Talk with you. Bye. Welcome to Sister FEFE channel, where you are welcome here. Make sure you come back again, like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you can always know what Sister FEFE is doing. God bless.